Yes, sorry. Mr. Gillispie. Yes. Yeah, man. This is Mark Golding. How you doing?
Not bad.
Yeah, man. I just called to wish you happy Father's Day, you know?
Thank you.
Yeah, man. I've been calling a few dads around the place just to wish them happy Father's Day, you know? And I know you have quite a few daughters too, right? Like me.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. How many you have?
Children?
Yeah.
4.
4. All right. You passed me. I have 3. Yeah, 2 girls and a boy. You have any boys?
2 girls and 1 son.
3 girls and a son. Excellent. Yeah, man. So how's your day been so far?
It's successful. I'm in church today.
Oh, you're in church? Nice, man.
New Testament, New Testament.
Okay, so the service start already?
No, we just about to. But
Oh.
I can still talk to you. I'm upstairs.
Oh, nice. Yes, man. Yes. Well, it's a good day to be praising the Lord, you know, Father's Day.
Yeah,
So we as fathers, we need all the blessings, you know, because it's not an easy road.
No, it's not an easy road.
Yeah, but
You
still,
just hold on.
yeah, and you know, it's very rewarding and things. Anyway, you know, just have a great day, enjoy church, yeah, have a nice service, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, and may God continue to bless you and your family, you know.
Yeah, man. Thank you for that.
All the best.
Same to you.
Thank you. All right, sir.
And to your family.
Thank you very much.
Okay, Mr. Golden.
How you doing? I just called to wish you a happy Father's Day.
Thanks.
Yeah, man. I hope your day is going well so far. Hope you're having a nice day so far.
So far, and wish you the same.
Yeah, man. Yeah, so far it's been good. And somebody was telling me that you had a daughter who recently won an award. Yes, a speech award, I think, a national speech award.
Yes, Mr. Golden.
Yeah, man. All the best, Vin. Enjoy the rest of your day. Where are you? Are you in St. Elizabeth or St. Mary?
I'm in St. Elizabeth.
Oh, nice. Which part?
Treasure Beach area.
Oh, Treasure Beach.
I live in a district called Beacon.
Okay, great, man. Well, as I said, you know, happy Father's Day, Vin. All the best to you.
The same to you, Mr. Golden.
Thank you very much. All right, respect, sir. Blessing. Yes, hello. Rasta. Yo, yeah, this is Mark Golding. How are you doing? Yeah, man, that's what I call if we big you up on the Father's Day, you know?
Respect Mr. Golden. Respect that.
Thank you, my brother. How's the day so far?
Well, the day is going good, you know. I mean, it's like town. I spend like a time with my grandson.
Nice, man. In Kingston or in St. Mary?
Kingston, you know.
Oh, Kingston, you know. All right. Yeah, man. So, how the grandkids, you know? Them coming along?
Yeah, man. All right, man.
Yeah, nice. But how old is a little youth or how old is he now?
I'm just 2, you know.
Oh, just 2. All right, a toddler. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Nice, man. Well, I don't reach that stage yet. You're ahead of me, you know? But I have 3 children, but no grandkids just yet, still.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man. How is it down there? Which part of St. Elizabeth, by the way?
Brompton side.
Oh, down by Brampton. All right. Yeah. Yeah, man.
That conference, you look at you, the Onie Buction and
Yes, but yeah, you are there.
yeah, man, there was a conference on the ground.
Yes, I saw some pictures of it. Yeah, man.
It was nice, man, and everything looked nice, you know?
Yeah, I think so. Things are come along quite nicely, you know?
Yeah, it was a crime and them things, they don't get mess up with here.
Yeah, no.
Everything alright.
Yeah, man. Well, that is great, man. Well, look, you know, enjoy the rest of your Father's Day.
Alright, so thank you.
Yeah, man. All the best to you, you know?
Alright, so.
All right. Respect. Yeah, man. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Yes, greetings. Alanzo?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. This is Mark Golding. How you doing?
What are you doing, sir?
I'm good, man. Just calling to wish you happy Father's Day, you know?
Oh, yeah, sir, Mr. Golden. Thanks, man.
Yeah, man.
Same, General.
Thank you, my brother. So, you're out in Oxford District, St. Mary?
Yeah, man, right up after me there.
How is it going today? How's your day been so far?
You know, Well, we generally look at buy a few places somewhere and cook one little pot for the father, them and them thing there.
Nice, man. Heal up Mr. Byfield for me, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And I was hearing you have a daughter in college or about to finish college.
Yeah.
That's nice, man. You're going to be doing some cooking? Or next month? Yeah.
We're going to do some cooking and eat one little rum for the father, them.
Yeah. That sound good, man.
Yeah, we sell and everything there.
Yeah, man. That sound good. That's so. Well, have a wonderful day, you know, and go and bless up all the father them around in Oxford District, St. Mary for me, you know.
Yeah, Mr. Collin, and thanks for your time, man.
Yeah, man. It's a pleasure to talk to you.
It's very important, you know.
Yeah, man. Well, very nice to talk to you, Alanzo.
Yeah, man.
And heal up Mr. Byfield for me.
We never stop to that, you know.
Yeah.
Never stop to that, man.
Yeah, man. Hello, Mr. Boyd.
Yes, sir.
Morning. This is Mark Golden. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you, you know.
Yeah, man. Happy Father's Day, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I just calling a few Jamaican fathers to wish them Happy Father's Day. You're out in Bonnygate, St. Mary.
Yeah, so you don't know this side of the world yet?
Well, I passed through, but never get to really spend much time. But we drove through Bonnygate about 2 months ago. And when we were on our way to Rockabessa. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, how's your Father's Day been so far?
Well, it's good, you know. It's good, man.
Yeah.
You know, they're alive and live to see it, you know.
Yeah, man.
Hoping for all the kids, you know.
And you have a daughter, I think she's getting a laptop?
I don't hear about it, you know.
Oh, you don't hear about it? Okay.
No.
Okay, so I heard Mr. Byfield, in fact, I told Mr. Byfield I'd make a contribution towards it. Christina, you have a daughter named Christina?
Yes, Christina, yeah.
Yeah, I think him work on a laptop first still.
Yeah, nice, man. You're a good boy, you know.
Yeah, very good boy, you know.
Nice, man, yes, man.
Yeah, man, you have to give him the full support still.
Yeah, man, I'm back in, at least, he's doing so good in the year already, you know.
Yeah, man, I agree with you. Yeah, man. So what's your plan for the rest of the day? Father's Day.
Well, right now, you know, we have so much things to do that we have much rest period, you know.
Yes.
Because we just cut up some chicken, you know, and things from my daughter. When I pick a daughter in Kingston, and she came over last night and things, so.
Nice, man.
She want to cook and things. Look at the meat and things for them, you know.
Yeah, well, that would be a nice eatings, you know, with the daughters and things. Yeah, man.
Yes, man. I want my friend carry a piece of goat for him, so.
Wow. Yeah, man. Well, look, you know.
Yeah, actually meet it, but we meet one of them days, you know.
All right. Yes, Mr. Boyd, we will. I think so.
Okay.
Looking forward to that. When I next go to Bonnygate, you can look out for me.
All right, then.
All right. Cool. All the best. Yeah, man. Respect. Bye-bye.